Morning students, I am Engineer Ajay. Welcome all of you in digital classes provided by Rajasthan Academy Churu for preparation of entrance exam of Sainik School, Military School, Navodaya Vidyalaya, Rai Sports School and RIMC. Students, it's class of reasoning and our topic is ranking test. In last class, we have studied about what is ranking and the types of questions which are asked based on ranking test in the examination. Now, in this class, we will study about the useful formulas, the questions which are used to solve the question in ranking test. So, start useful formulas. Okay, students. So, then first formula for ranking test. Before the first formula in the ranking test, do you know the ends of a row? Like left and right, ends of a row. In a row, if one end is left, then the other end is right. In a row, if the one end is top, then the other end is bottom. Okay. In a row, if one end is upper, then other end is lower. Okay. So these are the ends of a row. One end is, if row is like this, then it is left, it is right. Okay. If row is in this format, then it is top and it is bottom. Okay. And if row is in also this format, then it is upper and it is lower. Okay. These are the ends of a row. So the left end and the top end and the upper end are one end of a row. These are in one side, and the right end, the bottom end and the lower end. These are the other ends of a row, or these are also in one side. These are sides of this bottom and lower. Okay. So you have learnt about it. These are left, top and upper. Ends are in one side of a row, and the right, bottom and lower are in the other side of a row. So these are the ends of a row which are used in questions, either left or right, or top or bottom, or upper or lower. These terms are used in the questions which are asked in examination. So the formulas are also based on these ends. If it may be left end in formula, or top end in formula, or upper end in formula. Okay, one end of a row, or it may be right end of a row, bottom end of a row, or lower end of a row in a row. Okay. So the first formula, we have learnt about the ends of a row. So the first formula, rank of a person or object from lower or right end. So first है, if you are asked in question rank of a person or object from right and slash lower and slash bottom end. These are in one side. So you are asked in question rank of a person or object from right end or lower end or bottom end. Then the formula will be, what is formula for it? Total number of persons or objects in the row total number of persons or objects in the row and minus rank of that person, rank of that person from last and from left hand, comma top end, comma upper hand. Okay, and in the last plus 1. So it is first formula of ranking test. In first formula, if you are asked to determine rank of a person or object from right hand, here R is used for right, comma L is used for not left, lower, okay, and B is used from bottom end. So you are asked to determine the rank of a person or object from right, lower or bottom end. Then what is formula for it? Total number of persons or objects in the row. Total number of persons or objects in the row minus rank of that person. जिस पर्सन की अपन को रैंक पूछिए उसी की, तो रैंक ऑफ दैट पर्सन फ्रॉम, here L is used for left, comma top, comma upper end, okay, plus 1. It is first formula. Now we will study about the second formula of it. Then the second formula is rank of a person or object from left, comma top, comma upper end. Now the second formula is for if you are asked to determine the rank of a person or object from left end or top end or upper end of a row, then the formula is total number of persons or objects in the row minus rank of that person. That person means the rank of person which is asked in the question. rank of that person from right end, lower end or bottom end plus 1. It is the formula for rank of a person or object from left end or top end or upper end of a row. Then the formula is total number of persons or objects in the row minus rank of that person from right end or lower end or bottom end of row plus 1. Okay. Then these are two formulas for. First is for rank of a person from right, lower and bottom end. Then the formula is total number of persons or objects in the row minus rank of that person from left end, top end or upper end of row plus 1. And the second formula is for rank of a person or object from left end, top end or upper end of row. Then the formula is total number of persons or objects in row minus rank of that person from right end, lower end and bottom end of a row plus 1. ठीक है, these are the formulas for it. Now the next formula is for total number of persons or objects in a row. Third formula is for total number of persons or objects in the row. So, formula for total number of persons and or objects in the row. Then the formula for it, rank of a person from right, lower and bottom end of the row. Rank of a person from right, lower or bottom end of a row. person स्लैश ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, प्लस रैंक ऑफ दैट person from left, top and upper end of the row minus 1. Now the third formula is for total number of persons or objects in the row. You are asked to determine the total number of persons or objects in the row. Then the formula is rank of a person or object. Rank of a person or object from right and lower end या bottom end of a row plus rank of that person means that person or object from left end, top end or upper end of the row minus 1. Then these are the three formulas which are used in ranking test to solve the questions. Now आज की क्लास में इतना ही. आगे हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे। सो नोट डाउन इट एंड प्रैक्टिस द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ इट। थैंक यू।